Hi y'all, my name is Jo and I'm a junior.
I'm Adam and I'm a senior.
And today we are going to the Arts District downtown. I'm excited. This is gonna be fun.
Get some lunch.
Getting all the love.
Ready? No.
Good job! Where are we going? We got pizza.
Cuban, barbecue.
Greek.
Could go for a grilled cheese.
Okay, let's do Ruthie's. Hi, can we get the ham and eye and the turkey trot, please?
Should we cheers with the grilled cheeses?
Mine is so cheesy. I really don't know, like, how did you find your way to SMU?
So I was looking at strong engineering schools, obviously, and then I wanted an engineering school in a city that was going to be able to offer me a multitude of job options. SMU really fit the bill. I mean, there's so many companies here with wonderful options for engineering grads, AT&T, JP Morgan Chase, B of A, now Schwab. What drew me was not just the school, but also the what happens after school.
You have to think about the long-term investments that you get out of school, and it's just perfect planning that SMU has all of this available to us.
Yeah, it's like my AT&T internship, I didn't get that because I applied. I got that because I ran into the recruiter on campus.
What? Seriously?
Yeah. And then it led to a full-time job.
And then you got a full-time job.
And then it led to a job.
I mean, I'm ready to go see some art.
Let's do it.
There's so many things that we could totally take advantage of. Because I'm kind of down to go look at some dinosaur fossils.
We could go to the aquarium.
I want to see some otters. They're so cute. We have a lot of options. We could also look online and see if there's anything at the WinSphere tonight.
That could be fun.
If
Why
they
not?
have like a musical or something, I'm down for that too. So we got a lot of options of what we can do. But we can do DMA first.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. A little bit down. Okay, yeah. You've become the actual sculpture.
Oh, those look good. Should be National Sculpture Center. Come for the sculptures, stay for the chairs.
That's facts. I love looking at the sculptures.
I
They're
did.
so nice in there. It's so nice to just get off campus. Crow collection of Asian art. I didn't know they had Asian art here. And I've never seen so many faces that look like mine on modern art.
That's really cool.
I was like, wow, representation matters. It's so cool that we could actually see that.
I liked the puppets. That was a great day. We got to see some museums in the Arts District, have lunch in Klyde Warren Park. What more could we ask for?
Another one of those grilled cheeses. That was really good. I wanted to say thank y'all for following us along in this fantastic day. We hope that y'all enjoyed and we hope to see you on the hilltop sometime soon. Pony up!